I've been here for, 21 years now. I have never seen it this low. I don't believe I've ever had a year where there was no death
Kaiser San
like
Diego
this.
Assistant Medical Director
I think
Dr.
we've
William
had,
Sang says an extremely mild flu season has been a bright spot during a deadly pandemic.
we knew the combination of flu and COVID would be a killer.
From last July through the middle of January, just 662 confirmed cases of the flu have been reported in San Diego County with no deaths. During this same time last year, there were 10,000 cases and 32 deaths.
I've never seen it like this.
And Dr. Sang says while initial symptoms are similar for hospitals, there's no confusing coronavirus cases with flu ones.
From the test perspective, there's absolutely no argument. It's completely different.
He says at Kaiser San Diego, when patients are having respiratory problems, they're given tests for both the flu and coronavirus.
We have seen that even if they're positive for COVID, they're negative for the influenza.
The CDC says influenza activity nationwide is unusually low, and health officials say that's because the same measures used to contain coronavirus, staying isolated, wearing masks, and social distancing, will also curb the flu.
We're doing this to protect people from COVID, but the side effect of that or the benefit of that is we also drop down any type of transmissible disease.
Dr. Sang says protective measures are extra important right now with a new, more contagious variant of the coronavirus in San Diego. Locally, Kaiser is still working to vaccinate its healthcare workers and senior patients.
As soon as we get the supply, we get it in arms. And we start with the population that's most at risk. And as soon as we finish that and have the supply availability, then we move down to the next tiers.
With fears of a twindemic, health officials have been pushing for months for everyone 6 months and over to get their flu vaccination. Matt Hoffman, KPBS News.